Hey guys, so what to expect when you come in now for service. We just rolled this out about a week and a half ago. So when you pull into our service drive now, it's all outdoors. So you'll just pull in here, pull up to the please wait here sign. So just wait right here. Somebody will come out to greet you at your car, and then we'll get you inside, get you all checked in, and then show you the new inside desk. So this is where we will now get you all checked in for all of your basic maintenance, tires, alignment, any kind of a maintenance thing. We've got 3 service advisors eager to help you here. So now our service drive that we use to check people in and out of is got 2 different lifts. We're in the process of just waiting on electric to get hooked up, and then it'll be fully operational. We'll have a couple new oil reels that'll come down and air, and 2 new lifts, and an extra team to help get these through faster. So now when you come in, I showed you earlier the desk where you would go for oil changes. If you have any mechanical needs, so any kind of warranty items that need looked at, non-warranty items, any mechanical breakdown, you'll come back to these desks here. So we've got Rowan here, eager to help and assist. And then we're gonna have, Don's not here right now, but this is normally his desk, but he can also get you all set up. And then if you've got any accessory needs, that's gonna be on this side with Zach over there. So,
Wave Zach.